Hi there everyone, Kazi here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add a header in Microsoft Word document. It's quite simple and easy thing to do, so let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do, simply go on the left upper side into the insert button and simply tap on that. And then under the header and footer section, you will probably see the header option. You need to simply select that, and then you will see different styles of header from here. So you can scroll through all of these and simply select the one you like. And also you can select the page number from here, which will show your page number on the right upper side. So if you select that, as you can see, the page number is being showing on the right upper side. But if you want to add a text, also you can do that from here. For that, you need to go to the insert and then tap on the header again, and then you can simply select any of these. So I'm going with the blank one, and then type anything. All right, and also you can move your text from middle left to right or in the middle. Like simply tap on your keyboard tab button and the text will be moved on to the left. If you want it back to the left, you can move on to the right, but if you want it back to the left, you can simply backspace and it will be moved on to the left. After writing and editing the text, you can simply tap on the close header and footer option, and there you have it. So that's how you can add a header in Microsoft Word. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.